Whip it! He hit it! Oh! Good morning, guys, and welcome to another vlog. This morning is nasty. I mean, it's nasty. Like, it's dark, it's raining, it's just. I hate it. But you know, despite that fact, my car is really loud. Okay, it's a cold start. And anyway, we are heading to Starbucks. We're meeting with the client right now because he want to wrap his car chrome gold. So we're gonna look over the details and stuff like that. We're gonna go meet him right now. Why am I talking so fast? But I have my laptop here and okay, it's right here. Okay. Yeah, let's go. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. Let's get the day started. Alright, goodbye Starbucks. Just finished with the meeting. The guy wanted to wrap his car gold and carbon fiber, so yeah, I'm excited, and I think we're doing it next week. Can't wait for that, and I'm pretty sure me and my team's are ready to wrap his car. Yeah, pretty good. And right now I'm just gonna go do something. Sounds funny. I'm not sure what it is. I ordered so many things I don't even know anymore. Alright, what do we have here? This is a good one. This is the good bubble. Oh yeah. Here we have, it's backward, okay. We have in the front a Mustang. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, so what this is whoa, these colors are cool. Color flip. So this is gloss. Yeah, we definitely, these colors are colors that I don't have. It's only 3. Okay, cool. Satin. Wow. Very cool. This one's more like matte feel. This one's more like gloss feel. Let's continue on. So let's see what else we have. This is another sample book. So now I have 2. Yeah, if you guys didn't watch the last vlog, I got this color book. This sample book. And then I just got another one. So now I have tons of colors. Now I have like a lot of colors, tons of colors for you guys to pick if you decide to wrap your car. I recently just posted this picture of the 2 color book and pretty much about wrapping cars, and we got Brandley share my post. Carl, I love you, Carl. I like that GTR wallcover. And then I got Iris. So thank you for showing me some love and support. And yeah, 2,244 subscriber count live right now. It's time to get the Z to a wash. Me and Joseph just made it to Bombshell meet. There seems to be a lot more bikes here from last time, which is fine. It's cool, you know, a lot of bikes. And you see my cars all the way up there in the crowd up front. It's nothing really unique here. There's a lot of Camaro SS. I feel like they're from IFO. On the weekend they just came here, but I don't think they're from Houston. So there's a lot of cars that I haven't seen from last time. But it's gonna be my 3rd time here. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah, you're good. He already blew too much, like he was waiting for it.
That's how I'm gonna be. Oh, he doesn't know how to control it.
Nismo. See, it's only right to do it. Oh my god. Cops shutting it down. Cops, oh, it's coming out. It's coming out.
Away from the curb. Hey, get away from the curb.
Ah.
It's one cop.
Hon.
300 people. Yeah, 300 people. Oh, you better go. This is no fun, officer.
Now one of y'all comes out here and gets fucking killed, and I gotta deal with it.
Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him! Wait, block him, block him. Oh, oh! Got him! Got him! saved it! He saved it! Oh my god! Oh, he saved it. Oh my god, my voice got! Ah.
Let's do this.
Alright, just got home from that crazy car meet, and honestly, it was fun. It was really, really fun. A little crazy though, because I think it was like a last, it was kind of like a pop-up thing. So they didn't really organize it. They didn't really have security. So I think that's what happened. People become shenanigan and, you know, going crazy. But it was fun. It's a fun night. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was really fun making it too. So if you do, a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.